Alright, these next two are probably going to go really quickly, so we'll see how it goes anyway. Alright, number 3, describe the following solution set in interval notation. Basically, you take this graph and you write out the interval notation that describes that. So, notice how there's two sections that are shaded. You got this left side and the right side, and it's not shaded in the middle here. Okay, so you need to have two intervals written out. This shading on the left side starts from negative infinity and goes all the way up to -4. So when you're writing your points, you write the leftmost point, comma, rightmost point of the interval you're describing. Okay. Infinity always has a curved bracket, and since this is open, circle there, we're going to have a bracket there. So let's write the interval for the right side one. The leftmost point that got shaded, there's 2, and the shading goes on forever to the right, so it ends at infinity. Infinity is always curved, since that circle is open. 2 has a curved bracket, and you put a U in the middle, and ta-da, that is it. Done. Let's move on to 4. We're trying to solve for f. Notice how there's f here and f here. Okay, imagine they're x's. You need to get them on the same side. I'm going to choose to have my f's on my left side. Well, because I can. Typically, I don't like to deal with negative stuffs. And on the right side, it's positive. So if I get rid of it on the right side, I have to subtract, and I'm just foreseeing that when I get to it, my left's going to have negative. So perhaps looking ahead to what we're doing, having f's on the left side might not be the best, because usually negatives give people problems. But I'm going to do it anyway, because it is more complicated. We'll deal with it. So since I want f's on the left side, I need to get rid of the f on the right. So I'm going to subtract 3f from both sides. Let me get rid of that little arrow. Left side, you still have the 4q. Negative 2f minus 3f gets you negative 5f. Alright, if you have negative $2 and then you have to spend 3 more, you're now in the hole $5. Okay, so now we're at this point. The right side just got rid of the f stuff. We're still trying to get f by itself, so we have to get rid of this 4q. Minus 4q. I'm not going to divide by the negative 5 yet, because typically you save your division until pretty close to the end. And so I'm going to save it until then. Left side doesn't have any q's. You just got your negative 5f. Right side, we got q plus l minus 4q. The q stuff can combine. So do q minus 4q, which is negative 3q. And then we'll add l. And now I want to get rid of the negative 5, so I'm going to divide by negative 5. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And you got f equals negative 3q plus l over negative 5. And that's it for that.